All right, so we got this beautiful print going. You see that? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is a gift for my friend. Uh, I think she's a very nice person, and I just felt that it was nice to give her a little gift. Um, so here's this, and also I get some practice. So this is the first 3D print in almost a year, I would say, probably, yeah. So we had to figure out how to get it to work again. But here it is in all its glory. Incredible machine. Look at that. Spool winder, the feeder, Elegoo Infinity. And then these are called the bands. You see how they keep rotating? Create the future. Create the future. Those are called bearings. No, they're not rollers. Sorry, rollers, not bearings. Then you got the fans right here. And then this one, and it's already finished. Look at that. So when the 3D print finishes, it comes out like that. Whoa. Look at that. Sheesh. Amazing. Um, Now it's supposed to pop up. It's supposed to pop off easily. Oh, well, too easily. I don't want to break it. It's too fragile. So there's a another method to take it out. Uh, you can use this thing right here, which is just a normal run-of-the-mill uh, scraper. Look at that. See that? So we get very nice. Has try to get it in focus. It's definitely decent quality. Um, so this is called stringing right here. Uh, this is called stringing. You can see here it's um, I'm not completely sure why that happens yet. The, I'm going to assume that uh, the letters were too small for the resolution of the PLA material, because there's a limit to the size of your prints. But here is the finished product. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Uh, and then let's see if it stands. Oh, look at that, it stands. Okay. Uh, I'll see you on the next video.